Voy a poner una botella de agua. No, acaba de arribar Pepe Ara. Por ahí, por allá.
¿Se los da a los de La Rioja cuando vienen?
¿Están ahora trabajando?
No, entrarán.
of injury. Driver.
Pero no, ya haber visto que era manda otro.
Running back, 2 seconds over here, right hand side, and over 2 seconds on the left hand side. Not in the lead. SPO2 was 96%, 19 was 129, over 60%. We have still up here. Still up Great press. Great press. Get the ball on. Okay, cut it off because of wind. Without a blanket. Let's check it. I want a blanket.
Bajo. No habrá silencio. Ahora te digo lo que tienes que hacer. Vete a la pila. ¿La has descargado? El tornador.
Right, we're going to reset again. You have an area, the area still can't. Yes, taking a breathing rate again. Breathing rate is still 16 reps per minute. Second circulation.
A ver, Luis, en
We'll take the focus down.
está lo de...
The top eagle is the lead on the left hand side. Into the maple song on the left hand side. So this takes the fourth.
Esto es lo que...
On the check for it. Yes, take the 3, 4, put the check. Bring up the river. Lean over over. Check the top end of the cycle. We're going to do it. We check the keywords. Down on the keywords. All the way down. Holding down the foot. Punch the foot. Holding down the foot. Really down the foot. Again.
Un aplauso para el equipo de Irlanda, el equipo invitado con la variedad rápida.